Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connections and select it. Then scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. As you can see, it is enabled on my watch. And once you enable it, you can scroll down and see the list of available networks. Basically, nearby networks you can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it to select it. And if you need to, you will need to, basically, if the network is protected by password, you will need to enter the password to connect to it. So let's tap on it again. Now tap on password. Tap on password here. It will open the keyboard. And now we need to enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and once you enter the password, you can tap on connect to connect to the network. Okay, and after a couple of seconds you should see your network right here, and it should say connected, which means that the watch is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to WatchFace. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.